In today's episode, we're going to be doing some cooking. So if you're interested in seeing what I prepared, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now today I'm overly excited, guys. Today is my annual one pot meal collaboration for 2024. Now my wonderful co-host for this collaboration is Leona at Ebony, Ivory, and Time with Leona Dooley. Now, if you're not familiar with her channel, I have a link to her channel down below along with the playlist. So please go check out her channel and check out the other participants in this collaboration. Now, all we asked you to do was to cook a meal in one pot. We also ask that you include the recipe down below in your description so other people can attempt to cook your meal. So if you're interested in seeing what I cooked today, then you know what to do. Stick around. Now here are the ingredients I used for this recipe. It asks for a cup of water, a teaspoon of dried oregano, freshly ground black pepper, kosher salt, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, baby spinach, ricotta cheese. As for a medium-sized squash, halved and seeded, remove the seeds, and mozzarella sauce, chopped parsley for garnish, and crushed red pepper flakes. Well, I also added some Beyond Beef because I wanted a little meat to it. But I did not use the parsley or the red peppers. But here's everything that I used in my recipe. So let's go ahead and start cooking. Now that the Beyond Beef is done, I'm going to remove it from the Instapot and start cooking the spaghetti squash. Okay, now I'm going to cut this spaghetti squash. Mind you, this is the first time I've ever dealt with spaghetti squash. So cutting it gave me a little drama. But this is also the first time I've ever cooked spaghetti squash. I've never, ever tasted it. So cutting it this time did give us just a little trouble, but I did eventually get this thing cut open. Nobody told me that I was going to have to fight for my dinner. Okay, now it's time to open it. I had a well, this is the first time I cooked it, so I did scorch it a little bit, but it's not it's not bad. So I'm really excited about tasting this and seeing how all of this comes together. Now that all the cheese is melted and everything is all hot and gooey, let me taste this. This is my first time tasting spaghetti squash. You see how gooey that cheese is? Love it. And if you're a cheese lover like me, that cheese was the thing of it. Now, I was really surprised by the taste of it. I thought it was going to taste a little strange to me, but it really actually tastes good. This is something that I will definitely cook again, but next time I'll know to rotate the squash in the Instapot to turn it so it doesn't get scorched on one side. But this is really good, and I will definitely be cooking this again. You just don't know. Don't skip on the squash. So If you enjoyed the video, let me know down below. I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.